Hey, how you doing? Okay, so the question is, what do you need to take part in a session? It's super simple, I tell you. The first thing you are going to need is a foam roll. I like to use a longer one, but not a wide one. It's about 4 inches wide. It's about 90 centimetres long. 30 inches? Who knows? Old school. So first of all, a foam roll. Don't panic if you haven't got a foam roll, or if you've got a knobbly foam roll, or if you've got a wider foam roll. It's all good. You can make it work for you. If you haven't got a foam roll, grab a big bath sheet and you're going to roll it up against the width. Perfect. It'll get you started. It's all good. Next thing you probably are going to want to have to hand is a therapy ball, a squishy ball. It's got a load of give on it. Now, not everybody has one of these around, but some of you have one of these. It's a squishy practice tennis ball. You may notice that the key word here is squish. Not a foam ball that's going to completely collapse, but something that's going to give a little bit of resistance under your body. The other thing you're going to probably want to grab, a couple of cushions, really handy for getting yourself comfy. We're working with the body in a way that feels soft and gentle. So we're going to experience that by getting ourselves propped up on cushions and ready to melt. Apart from that, the only other thing you really need is a big old glass of water. Healing is thirsty work. By the end of the session, you're going to want to wash out all that gunk that you've just freed up from your body and give your cells that slippy slidey hydration that they deserve so much. Other than that, you just got to bring your good self. 30 minutes is all a session takes, and I'm going to teach you so many useful ways to look after your body that you're going to be telling all your friends, and you're going to be the hero of them all. Come and join me. Don't be scared. I'm going to make it super fun. I'll see you there.